You're listening to Ian Cullens' Rock and Roll Special here on the Sounds of Salford.
Hi there, 6th of October 2015, show number 10. You're listening to Ian Cullen on the Sounds of Salford, Rock and Roll. Gonna kick off tonight with Rockabilly Rebel with Matchbox from 1979. Going out there to all you rebels, and you know who you are.
Things are crazy in the clothes I wear. It took all my records I played all day. But I am what I am, and I'm gonna keep a rockin' that way. I'm a rockabilly rebel from head to toe. I gotta keep a rockin' everywhere I go. Everybody join us for good company. Be a real cool cat, be a rockabilly rebel like me. Too long. When the school is over, they put the cat clothes on. Or they have the slap bass, swinging to the band. It's a real rockin' rhythm that's sweeping all over this land. I'm a rockabilly rebel from head to toe. I gotta keep a rockin' everywhere I go. Everybody join us for good company. Be a real cool cat, be a rockabilly rebel like me. Squares get the message, get the poppin' beat. Let it try for your body, till it has your fate. Shake it in your shoes, boy. Don't it make you feel wild? Well, if you can dance, then we're gonna show you how. I'm a rockabilly rebel from head to toe. I gotta keep a rockin' everywhere I go. Everybody join us for good company. Be a real cool cat, be a rockabilly rebel like me. I'm a rockabilly rebel from head to toe.
Next up for you, Imelda May with Johnny Got a Boom Boom from January 2009.
He got me with the hook, those big bass notes, thunder in my chest, stuck in my throat, pulling me down like a rumble in the ground, crawls up from the depths with a deep down sound. Johnny got a boom boom, Johnny got a bam, he got big bottom body, lonely neck. Swell was a woman that had his grip. Big vibrations, yeah, just one glance. He's gonna blow my mind. He's gonna make me wanna, oh, Johnny got a boom boom, Johnny got a bam, he got a
Pendlebury Pyrotechnics sponsor the Sounds of Salford. Professional fireworks for all occasions. Multimedia events, product launches, private parties, corporate events. Contact William Gibson 0161 737 8306 or 07885 408 991. That's Pendlebury Pyrotechnics. Really make Salford go with a bang.
Next up, Hot Rod Lincoln from Commander Cody from 1971. Going out there for all you petrol heads.
My pappy said, son, you're gonna drive me to drinking if you don't stop driving that Hot Rod Lincoln. Have you heard the story of the hot rod race where the Fords and Lincolns were setting the pace? That story is true, I'm here to say I was driving that Model A. It's got a Lincoln motor and it's really souped up. That Model A body makes it look like a pup's. Got 8 cylinders and uses them all. Got overdrive, just won't stall. With a 4-barrel carb and a dual exhaust with 4 11 gears, you can really get lost. Got safety tubes, but I ain't scared. The brakes are good, tires fair. Pulled out of San Pedro late one night. The moon and the stars was shining bright. We was driving up Grapevine Hill, passing cars like they was standing still. All of a sudden, in a wink of an eye, a Cadillac sedan passed us by. Said, boys, it's a mark for me. By then, the taillight was all you could see. Now the fellas ribbed me for being behind, so I thought I'd make the Lincoln unwind. Took my foot off the gas and man alive, I shoved it on down into overdrive. Wound it up to 110, my speedometer said that I hit top end. My foot was glued like lead to the floor, that's all there is and there ain't no more. Now the boys all thought lost my sense, and telephone poles looked like a picket fence. They said slow down, I see spots, the lines on the road just look like dots. Took a corner, sideswiped the truck, crossed my fingers just for luck. My fenders was clicking the guardrail post, the guy beside me was white as a ghost. Smoke was coming from out of the back when I started to gain on that Cadillac. Knew I could catch him, I thought I could pass. Don't you know by then we'd be low on gas. We had flames coming from out of the side. You feel the tension, man, what a ride. I said, look out, boys, I got a license to fly. And that caddy pulled over and let us by. Now all of a sudden she started knocking down in the gym. She started to rock, and I looked in the mirror. Red light was blinking, the cops was after my hot rod Lincoln. They arrested me and they put me in jail, and they called my pappy to throw my bail. And he said, son, you're gonna drive me to drinking if you don't stop driving that hot rod Lincoln.
Now then, 1955 hit from Carl Perkins with Honey Don't.
Well, how come you say you will when you won't? You tell me you do, baby, when you don't. Let me know, honey, how you feel. Tell the truth now, is love real? Oh, honey, don't. Well, honey, don't. Honey, don't. No, honey, don't. Hey, honey, don't. Say you will when you won't. Honey, don't. Well, I love you, baby, and you ought to know. I like the way that you wear your clothes. Everything about you is so doggone sweet. You got that sand all over your feet. So, hey, honey, don't. Honey, don't. Well, honey, don't. Honey, don't. Honey, don't. Say you will when you won't. Honey, don't. Hang on, till on this rock now. you on Saturday night. Sunday morning you don't look right. You've been out of painting the town. Baby, you've been slipping around. So hey, honey, don't. Well, honey, don't. Honey, don't. Honey, don't. Well, honey, don't. Say you will when you won't. Honey, don't. Get it, cat, let's go now. Well, honey, don't. Oh, honey, don't. Yeah, honey, don't. Honey, don't. Say you will when you won't. Honey, don't.
Pete and Earlham, that one there was going out for you. That was this week's Elvis substitute, Carl Perkins' Honey Don't from 1955. Coming up next, Just Like Eddie from Joe Meek in 1963.
Whenever I'm blue, whenever my troubles are heavy, beneath the stars I play my guitar, just like Eddie. Now troubles may come and troubles may go, but they'll always find me ready upon the hill, playing still, just like Eddie. Whenever you're sad, whenever you're blue, whenever your troubles are heavy, beneath the stars you play your guitars, just like Eddie. Troubles may go, but they'll always find me ready upon the hill, playing still, just like Eddie. So whenever you're sad, whenever you're blue, whenever your troubles are heavy, beneath the stars you play your guitar, just like Eddie.